Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Exciting day today, very exciting, because I'm getting a new puppy. Yeah, I got Ragnar last year in May, and now I'm getting a Rottweiler puppy, and he's coming all the way from Romania. He's been on the road for like 2 days now, I think, and I wanted to take you along, and also at the same time made this video just for like memory purposes, but also show you what I got for him, because we had Ragnar last year and he's a very spoiled boy. We got loads of toys for him already. Therefore, Kai, our new puppy, is gonna have loads of other toys to play with, but we got a few things for him as well. So I'm gonna show you real quick. We're gonna go get him in like an hour or something. So let me put you down here. So I got this for both of them actually, because they can both pull from each side. This little color right here is really cute. They had green and yellow, but I really like this red one. We got in this snake, which has like different textures here. We got him this little like soft squeaky thing toy. We got him a Kong ball, big enough so he can actually chew it, and I'm expecting this to be lost within like 30 seconds. We got him a duck, this little ball that you can throw like this. He can go do fetch if he decides to do fetch. This is the second lead we got. We got it for Ragnar, but it's too short for him, so we're gonna give it to Kaylo, and it's good enough. It works. It's been only used once, so yeah. I'll show you. We got him a food bowl. We got him this little food bowl because he doesn't eat much at the moment, and we also got him this Kong crate because we're planning on crate training him for a while anyway. I mean, like, crate training for me is like, I know they're supposed to say like keep them in there for as long as possible. For me, it's more of a case of him having his safe space. Yeah, just his chill out place for like a few months, and then he's not gonna use a crate anymore. It's now like 20 past 1 or something like that, and we gotta go pick him up 5 minutes away from our house at 2. And we also have like I washed all of Ragnar's toys, and we also got a bed for Ragnar, which I searched for absolutely ages, and he never used it. And that bed was brand new. I washed it, and it will now belong to Kai. This is like a teething toy that, if you remember from my other video, I got for Ragnar, and he just never used it. Still have to arrange a few things around the house, but I will see you guys when we go there. We arrived at the drop-off point, and we still have like 15 minutes left, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm here with my mom. She went inside to get coffee, and then yeah, we're just gonna hang around here for a bit, and then we're gonna film him when he arrives, which is so super exciting.
Este foarte iubăreț, e excepțional. Stai, mama, știi cum mama? Haide, știm cum mama aici. Știi cum mama aici? Poți să-i dai tu. Noi ne gândeam că e prea mică.
Ce mic! Noi avem un malamut, dar e malamut gigant, ce mare, și diferența dintre ei o să se facă.
Dar deocamdată e...
Da, mama, sufletul meu, te duci la tine acasă, mami, da, iubire! Te duci la tine, da! Să fii cu minte, bine? Da, da, iubirea lui mami!
Ой.
Good